A trial date has been set for Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit in the U.S. against her estranged half-sister Meghan Markle. A Florida judge has set an October 2023 trial date for the defamation case if the two sides fail to settle or resolve it in mediation. Do you think Meghan will try to settle this out of court before she would depose or have to testify? All the things Sam has said about Meghan are true. She has every right to defend her good name in court against Meghan's lies. Samantha claims Meghan told false and malicious lies about her fairy tale rags to royalty upbringing at her paternal family's expense. And Samantha claims that Finding Freedom book subjected her to humiliation, shame, and hatred on a worldwide scale. She supposedly has actual proof that Meghan did tell some porky pies during her interview with Oprah Winfrey. Our position on this is that we still feel confident this is a viable defamation claim, and Mrs. Markle, Meghan, is attempting to spin this around regarding the Oprah show, stating that this is subjective thinking she was an only child. But that is not subjective. Either you're an only child or you're not, Samantha's lawyer said. Pretty dumb thing for a lawyer to say. It's obvious Meghan Markle just meant she grew up alone. That's it. It comes after Meghan's legal team moved to dismiss the case in papers submitted to the Florida court in July. Unfortunately, Meghan will abuse her husband's power and find a way to win everything. There is speculation going around that Prince Harry used his influence to get back at his wife's sister. Is the rumor true? Did Hollywood Harry get Samantha's Twitter account suspended? Of course not. She got it suspended all on her own. Hours after BuzzFeed News ran a whale-like piece alleging that Samantha Markle is Princess Pinocchio's biggest troll, Twitter suspended her account for targeting the Duchess, which she definitely did. It was reported that Samantha's account was suspended due to violating the site's policies. Harry and Meghan's infamous Oprah interview supposedly trashed both of their families and strangers alike, and many of their bizarre rants have been proven wrong, false, or unsubstantiated. Of course, again, this is untrue. Meanwhile, royal biographer Angela Levin, who hates both Harry and Meghan Markle, has described Prince Harry and Meghan Markle as extremists in a no-holds-barred rant on GB News. How somebody could call these two people extremists is beyond me, but she appears to not be the smartest person. Anybody who actually admires the way that Harry and Meghan are behaving are extremely wrong and should be ashamed of themselves. Right, because anybody disagreeing with Angela Levin is very wrong and should be ashamed of ourselves. I think psychologically they've cracked open something that other people think, well, I wouldn't want to do what they're doing because they're extremists and they behave very badly, but there must be some way of earning more money out of that. Nobody thinks that, Angela Levin. Nobody. She went on to say that the pair were simply trying to make money out of their royal ties and have no respect for the royal family. That's another reason why they should be so ashamed of themselves, because it's just not right. You cannot be part of something and then make money out of it. Unfortunately, Harry will be part of the royal family forever, considering he was born into it. If it's the British royal family, much admired throughout the world, you have to show it respect. Nobody has to do anything. It's not just about how getting your face in the papers all the time, or how to get lectures on how we should behave, or anything you can imagine, which they don't have to go with.